Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add Office 365 email to iPhone. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily set up or add your Office 365 email account on your iPhone. So in order to do that, go to Settings from your iPhone and tap it open. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Mail option and tap it on. Tap on Accounts and Passwords, or in some cases, it only shows Accounts. Give it a tap. And now, tap on Add Account from the options displayed on the next page. Click on Microsoft Exchange. Now, enter your Microsoft 365 email address in the first text box. Once you type in your email, type in your password for your Microsoft 365 account. And in the description box, type in the description for your account. Once you type in all of the information, tap the Next button at the top right-hand corner. And finally, tap on Save at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add Office 365 email to iPhone. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.